You can that Aisha Moody way you did that way. Do I if matter happen and you want to talk out like you stupid past everybody. Man stupid past you. Aisha, you for stop that foolish thing they do for Ghana here. You get what I'm saying? If nobody they talk your matter, Ghana media way they no get story. That's why government self no they even watch one side because your nonsense thing they do for radio top and those people with the interview today if you go a big Santana today they here they and then to they interview you like what they do they bring development to the music industry. Sense no dey inside one bit, you understand me? But I just say Ghana be so people just no one they talk some things, you understand me? Some people they say Charlie more life so more Jimmy among Jimmy cause me cry me dream home cause sika me peno Charlie people get this they think for Ghana, you understand me? You go put for some place say me I dey fuck my cousin cause I thought you see I can't give you my family rundown or I can't give you this thing or if you say that my baby mother in on the road my baby mother me I tell her, you understand me? See if you and you go the road and you go to do like your eye open you like that thing you dey see you like you dey go America you know to go do anything for them. One need to be a shower. Two, we know what you do. Those things, fraud things you do. If I talk plenty, police go catch you, safe. Because you house safe no get for Ghana here. You understand me? House safe no get for Ghana here. And you know they shut up. You understand me? Recently, you make bloggers they put things out. You marry Abbas Sadiki, you marry Abbas Sadiki. Abbas Sadiki no fucking need you. Abbas Sadiki no fucking need you for inside. Abbas Sadiki marry get 2 wives. They be my mothers. You understand me? You don't get any security for Ghana here. You won't take Abbas Sadiki stand on something and talk say yeah you get somebody your husband he be guy don't do like don't those fucking things you talk say about Sadiq you get some guy he be like don't even fucking talk about Sadiq anywhere. If I hear you say you talk about Sadiq me personally I go slap you I don't care if the woman will know to respect yourself like that. Somebody will get wives, somebody will be chief, somebody will be king, somebody will be wanna godfather, somebody will with the respect them, society they respect them, somebody will if they like they in corner. You can't put things out. You marry him. Your dirty face like my shoe under Kwasia. Your fucking face like my first boss says we are buy for Blue Lagoon. You under dirty up to now. How you see yourself? Then you go comment for somebody in pity. Me and the fuck my cousin. I can't give you my family rundown. I can't tell you who my cousins be and who my nephews and nieces and whatever be. You know they respect yourself. Hey, don't do that. You understand me? You stumble in the movement things. If you say coffee my blood, that's why me do. I know if they do some things, I just do like make I no watch. Cause yes, me, I dey support my brother. I won't make my brother. But don't come and bring those foolish things. I go slap you. Ask to me. I go. I don't care. I go slap you. I go slap you. If you be woman, I think you say day is legal. Try come my house can't do like you won't can ask me question. I go slap you. I go slap you. If I see you for some place where you don't know where you make mistake, I go slap you. I go slap you. I dey talk. I go slap you. Me slap. You know, no be the thing where Stoneboy go slap Angel way. They know if you talk. I go slap. Make it they camera top way. I go slap. Make people get them say I slap. No be the one Stoneboy slap Angel way. You know the VNC camera. What happened? That coward thing people they do there. You want me? I go slap you. I go slap you. Me bow chest. I'm a pow. Me bow chest. What's here? You feel say why? Me. And somebody, you can't tell me say somebody be my cousin. I can't. Because I just say my cousin said, if you talk, say it don't like. Oh, see, you know love. Love, you know my cousin. Love you put the talk and she, love. She's been so much of great help to me in my career, in my life. I get what I'm saying. That's why all the girls, sister, it be me I introduce and give love. Michelle, me I introduce and give love. That stupid thing you put the talk, say they fuck my cousin, they fuck my cousin. People for stop they talk that thing. I get what I'm saying. If you want to get sense, say some get sense. Love, you get shop. You get not be say shops. She be CEO for rain clothing. All the designs she see. Cause say boy, if we do something, then you go do. Recently said, I do one door, people go do one god. Abuata, wait Jimmy and everything they copy. You know can't talk the truth, they copy. If you go slap me, I go slap you. Because of Abbas Sadiq wife, I go slap you. Because of Abbas Sadiq wife. In wife, I go slap you. Because you know they respect. Somebody will marry. You go make bloggers. If you say bloggers because you go fit give them some $100 or something, maybe they write your things for you. They go give blogger money, say make you write you marry somebody. I go slap you because of Abba Sariki. I go slap you. And even my matter say when you go talk say fuck my cousin, I no go even take that matter because of Abba Sariki. When you go talk say he marry you, he engage you, I go slap you for his wives. What's here? Somebody go and marry you, they go talk say you marry the person. Are you stupid? Then you come to them always one day Ghana like I go slap you. If you slap, then slap, I go slap you. You see the way I do, man? If you so, I go slap you. What Jimmy Anna? Nonsense. Sometimes we take Ghana, we have to watch some things, then we say like, make people no fool like that, too. I want make I get love on the line. Bad man. Sometimes, make people don't see that music. Me, the music I graduate. You should say your artist, you don't know about. Me, I graduate. I don't know how much money we are going to look for. I want to make artists where they can make they get some theater family, all those make they to they can get something chop. My Americans quick free communion make they can get. What's your artist still they look for money? I go slap you, eh? The slap I go slap you, eh? My guy, if I slap you, eh? You know, I go slap you. If like fool, that foolish, those foolish thing they do. Some people, if I say they don't do like that. Don't do like nobody know your story. I dey tell you one thing. Where if I not say, I know every shit about you. You see the things where you the fool say you dey send my baby mother voice note, make you dey insult them and you dey send me out of here. I go slap you. I go slap you. That foolish thing they talk people and shatter they do. I go slap. See me, I hear plenty things where you talk. But I see, I just calm down. Where I just they do. What's here? How you see Ghana? How you see Ghana? Or if you say Ghana, we fool for you. I look for. You make her just get love on the line. I say if you say we don't know your matter. We know your matter. Oh. We know your matter, but you just keep quiet. You understand me? I swear. If you I know they take some things like that. You understand me? We did Ghana and everything. Yeah, you somebody go write something, go write it, and ask and make it tell the machine make it stop fuck the air. I go slap you. What's your show? You say where people they fuck you. You know how many people in America what they go do for there? Nothing you get from America, nothing. You don't get anything from you don't get anything. You don't get anything. You don't get you see, you know Ghana say you don't get I don't know why Ghana too but you don't get anything. If I go slap you, eh? I go slap you. I go slap you. I swear. I dey talk you make you understand. Boom one. If you say what? Sometimes when we dey stage, make it take out. But if we dey street, it be different lifestyle. If we dey street, it be different lifestyle. Trust me. Somebody way he marry. Love comment. I want make you comment. Make I call you. Comment. That's why it's a day. Make I just add it to the shit. I go no. You sometimes we dey Ghana, then people they want fools and fully. What kind of nonsense be that? You somebody where you marry, you get 2 wives. You be chief, you be king. You be king. You go, you tell bloggers me they write about say you marry the guy. You go take my Range Rovers where you go put for Stonebwoy house, where they go do video. Say Stonebwoy one guy, one. If you all those cars in my cars, I go slap you. Some things where I know a day where I don't want to talk. Some things they what's the cars go people about Sariki there. Those cars be my cars. The cars where you go pick where you can put for Stonebwoy house. The time they can do the clash. Where they can interview on with those cars. Those cars don't you know say that what my right wing group is. What's I know how many land money by. I go slap you, eh? What a foolish thing with that. You fool too much. Sometimes they disgrace women safe. And you know fine. If you find safe, at least small like me safe. I go understand say yeah, at least they don't get clay, make they take do you, so you know at least they fit get some, you know, motor where they add them, where they take do. What's here? Your face like my first shaving stick where I take shave my boss. Boa. You don't respect yourself, eh? Don't do that. Don't think say they roll my baby mother. So my baby mother in like talk. So he go to tell you things. Boa, go see some. I rent for him. I buy 2 cars for him. He dey stay inside. Recently, they can't stay. Is they go here say, Sam, I give her money, make it take. What say this happen? I say things. If you know the talk truth there, sometimes you go take in worries they come there. You feel say you get my matter, so you won't make you get me make we talk the matters. The matters, your matters where I get. Say if you know here, your matters will get. What you where they take you do pono artist, what this thing. I go slap you. I just say your pono videos you don't come out, but we go wait and watch your pono. I go slap you, eh? Or if it's about Sadiq Kinder, if they go bath and things, cameras no there. We cameras there, or you don't know. I go take go show you. I go slap you, eh? If you go the house, if you say no get camera, if you say no get camera, in wives don't see them like that too. Don't see if they catch you, they go beat you, eh? You don't try about Sadiq King wives because if there's Zongo women here this talk, they go beat you, eh? They go beat you. See, they go beat. See, if the women where they go beat you, me I go slap you, but women go beat you. Now just go slap you. If the women they go beat you. Boy, wait me. Can't they there? Can't they talk people that want? If I can't tell you somebody to use it in my cousin. I can't tell you say somebody in my cousin. Wait Jimmy on. Hey, those things you put. That why me for there they laugh you because you see you feel say you they do something make you take hype. Stone boy, but you be very foolish girl. You see what you do? You not be anything about Piazza. You not be anything. You are just a very foolish girl. Just a very, very foolish girl. That is the course you did in your mind, in your life. Like you won't make like you be gangalia. If like try, see, if I be try. If you say be, I go slap you, eh? I go slap you. How much money you collect for fraud boys? So if you say you be gangalia, the range over and this already that. You know about Sadiki, he range wait, you take do move for town. Or if you say man just keep quiet, cause you be hungry girl. You be hungry girl. You don't get anything. You be hungry girl. You be very hungry girl. You don't get anything. Unishi, frio. I go, don't try that thing. Understand me? Don't even try that thing. Don't try. You will see some things where man just to keep quiet, man just know to watch some things. Then you feel say you be like some. I know they understand. Sometimes see, I know they understand. Oh, you understand? We defeat give some people chance. Then no, because of social media. Then because it be social media celeb. Me if I know this stage, if I know this stage, I know be celeb. If I know this stage, I be businessman. I know be celeb. If at this stage, I be celeb. If I know this stage, you which stage you go? If you know be Stone Boy, you go fit stand stage. If you know be Stone Boy, you go fit stand stage. Huh? If you know be Stone Boy, you go fit stand stage. Your first make like that invalid engine where they produce 1962. I be create human being. The way I know fine, so you know fine. I boy. If you say you fine, you know fine. The way you say me I know fine. When me I know say I know fine. It be so know you to know. I try to say, where, Magdalene, it's where you did. Can't make her just knock there, make her just. You fool too much. I don't like people who fool like that. I don't like people who fool like that. Don't fool like that. Don't fool like that. Don't play with me like that. Don't play with me like that. You don't get any thing where you go show me for this Accra here. Don't be Accra, they talk Ghana here. You don't get anything where you go show me for this Ghana here. You get what you get what I do? You don't get anything where you go show me for Ghana here. People who know you. Why hookups are why over pensa to me trying to kwasia u chom ya ode kwasia u jun u kwasia u ga so open na chom ya ode ka so open na chom ya ode ya ka che de o ye che de somebody say don't try that thing. I swear don't make that mistake. Don't make it love self not do online. If I come online or if you say what those stupid things You go talk and sack there. You know, give I go slap you. I go slap you. That way, me and Sarko they contribute for Casio. Where you there? You go there with the top. They talk like and they're so stupid that they interview you too. I go slap you, man. Me I go slap you. Me I go. Your artists have been no slack. Sometimes they do something, they be hype. They say, me I go slap you. Make you see the camera. Make if somebody says, you know, that was a nice slap. I like that. I think you should do a remix of that slap. Yeah, I go slap you. We crazy where we work. When I might touch where we work, ask at the work. When I might touch. So anybody way if you say you might touch, no. If I say you might touch like that way, I see like that. No, I see like, we wanna mind, wanna mind, and the brain. No be the brain, no, the brain. It dey pay me. It pay me. So if somebody do nonsense, that they see the person, who can say we pen away Jimmy on? Yes, you Jimmy wow. You Jimmy nice pan I want. Don't fool yourself. Don't see man like that too. Don't play that games with me. You understand me? Don't play that games with me. If I see you, if Abi you like talk, come talk. Make I hear and see because as I talk, if you say because of the way Shatawale talk for social media, that way I can't make. So you won't follow that thing and talk for social media. I go slap you, I go slap you because every time they talk for social media, it is something where they fight for. That's why they talk for social media. If you say we just wake up and come write people that matter or come talk somebody matter, you don't get time to talk somebody matter. But if you talk my matter, if you try Shatawale, you know, see what is going on. Me boasum. Boasum, they go turn out to dia grow Accra, chat nipa chat se we dia grow Accra nipa kasa also person be kasa bi I want my glove it way there. I want me can comment make I add you for this thing. And they will check dia grow well check na repair na airport traffic car now check you can do nonsense thing, you can do taxi check for just car from me check and dream and now class of China dream so be why we do track or catch a blogger say I'm from train here capture him out now train and even chow longer now train to me because he down if I open so use about side then I find ever see that I'll check her because about side check her body car boom the casa now travel because there dressing now dress with you know there were any passion who are do train because try you know because as you travel banku you dear do Accra so because we train brand we do na we train parce que train ya wano me better make sure my glove no make catch you trust no say a man am come one the way you channel so channel obi am person do channel ku an do treasure we gym power so I'll check right that's it yeah bro street Adam branding charm de mo band just streaming just an one ya never na music na mo de twedi be na mo check an am say because my we and customer channel de na ko yeah I will both try from not train now do check car ko be because we check America now go do just an where to know say we do check the mouth that I was only a friend who do travel there go now. Travel just around trouble one hour so check out or open coffee corner. But only me money perfect money probably do and go for check out make us say Obi ni cousin ni try mbu won.